Hello, Roman Onigan with you. In the previous lesson, we learned what a double three is. In this lesson, we will learn a set of rules for the triple three. The main difference between a double three and a triple three is that the double three consists of three subwaves, W, X, and Y. In turn, the triple three consists of five subwaves, W, X, Y, XX, and Z. All subwaves of the triple three develop in a corrective mode and can take the form of any corrective patterns, except for specially specified cases. To draw a triple three, let's first show the three actionary waves of the pattern, and then connect them with each other with a corrective intervening wave. Let's denote waves by letters. Now you see before you a full triple three. Let's start writing down the rules. Rule number 1. Triple three consists of five waves, which are denoted by the letters W, X, Y, XX, Z. Second rule, the triple three has the following wave structure, that is, it consists of five waves formed in the corrective mode, and almost all its subwaves can take the form of any corrective patterns except for a special case, which we will consider in the next rule. Third rule, the first three waves, namely W, X, and Y, cannot take the form of triangle, and the waves XX and Z can take the form of any corrective patterns, including triangles. Here we have displayed an ascending triple three, a pattern that tends to move in an upward direction and is formed in a downward market. That is, before the corrective wave and after the trend is descending. Let's see what a descending triple three looks like. That is, a three formed in an upward market. The descending triple threes look like this. The waves W, Y, and Z are actionary and indicate the direction in which the model tends to evolve. In this case, these waves are directed downward, so the whole model also tends to create a pullback in the downward direction since the trend before the correction and after it moved up. The set of rules and guidelines for descending and ascending triple threes is similar. Now let's write down the guidelines for the triple threes. First guideline. The triple three is usually a shallow correction to the previous trend, and very often it ends at a depth of 36% of the previous wave. Second guideline. Triple three is usually a long correction. This means that the strength of the market and the construction of this wave does not go deep, but in the formation of a long sideways structure. Moreover, the market begins to form a triple three when a sideways correction was built, which took the form of a double three, but the desired value of the duration of the correction was not achieved. The market still has the strength to build a corrective wave, so the formation of the third part begins and a construction called the triple three appears. Third guideline. Usually the triple three is inclined in the direction opposite to the previous trend. That is, if before the triple three we saw a trend in the upward direction, then the triple three is likely to form with a downward slope. If the trend was directed downwards, then the triple three will be formed with a slight upward slope. This property of the triple three is useful to remember because this makes it easier to identify this pattern on the chart. Let me add that the triple three usually has a very complex internal structure. Some parts of the triple three can sometimes take the form of a triple three themselves, so trading within this model is quite difficult because the market is almost not limited by the rules. Therefore, if you identify this model on the chart, it is better to stay out of the market until its completion, or you can move to other wave levels, i.e., split the triple three into separate small trends and trade inside them, or vice versa, reduce the scale of the chart so that our triple three took the form of only a small correction within a larger trend. We learned the rules for a triple three. In the next lesson, we will proceed to triangles. All lessons in this video course are devoted to the theory of wave analysis. If you want to learn the practical part, I encourage you to contact me for personal training. Please read more under this video. Once again, this has been Roman Onigan with you, so until we meet again, bye for now.